Hi, I am Shalini Kumar. Today we will be practicing sirsasana. If you want to progress in this asana, please do practice step by step as we have shown in this video. Those who have spondylitis, neck problem or head injury, please do consult your doctor before starting. Shall we start? We will start with the basic neck exercise. Bend front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will move on to the mat. Just sit in Vajrasana. Roll on your head. Keep the forehead on the floor. Roll on to the back of the last 2 times. Last time. Come up very slowly. Very important is the hand posture. Just keep both the elbows closer. Don't widen the elbows. Keep the elbows closer. Clash the fingers. Cross the fingers, okay, hold it tight. People usually release it very easily like this. Now don't do that. Cross and hold it tight. Give a nice firm triangle base for the sirsasana. Now place your head, the center of the head in between the hand, and then press the elbow, straighten your hip. Now very slowly shift the leg on the chair. Now straighten the leg. Now practice this as much as you can. See that you practice every day. Stay here for few seconds. Breathe, normal breathing, then release the leg. Once you are comfortable with that, we will go for another variation, little advanced. Shall we start? Now keep both the hands on the floor. As we know, rest your head, center of the head, lift the hip. Stay here. Now very slowly try to take your right leg towards the ceiling. Breathe. Relax your neck. Change the leg. Breathe. Then come back. Once you practice that, go near the wall, okay, keep a blanket and then we will jump to the wall. Straighten the leg, walk front, now jump. Last 2 times. Jump. After coming back, please don't get up immediately, just rest your head and relax in Shashankasana for 2 minutes. After that, come up very slowly. First of all, thank you for being with me for all this time. If you like, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.